2 weeks or else you're going to jail.
2 weeks to do what, sir?
Clean up the property.
Property is clean.
All right.
You're complaining about stuff.
Okay, I'm not complaining. If you think it's clean, I might as well just send you to jail today. You seem cantankerous here, and I'm not gonna put up with that nonsense.
I just want to get this over with so I can move on.
Well, then don't start chirping at me. You guys think you don't have rules applying to you?
What exactly are the issues that...
Everything. Everything. Your place is a junkyard.
Wood Haynes, behalf of Jackson Farrell.
How you doing, Mr. Haynes?
I'm doing well. How about you, Judge?
Good, thanks.
Good. We had a busy morning over here.
Where?
I'm in 17th District in Redford right now.
Okay. Ms. Foley Carter, your name? Mr. Farrell, your name?
Jackson Farrell.
All right. So, he pled guilty. Wait a minute. I found him guilty after a hearing of failure to clean the property and comply with all township ordinances as ordered. By August 31 of 25, I set an in-person hearing. I think I encouraged him in no uncertain terms to have the property cleaned up. What do you have to say?
Ordinance Enforcement Officer Rob Harris did meet the scene on Tuesday of this week. I do have photos. They were forwarded to probation department. There has been progress made. It was in no way close to being.
Can I see what you have there? This is still how it exists?
It is. Ron did go out there again this morning for that. He's still on.
What do you have to say, Mr. Haynes?
Your Honor, my client is a disabled veteran. He's not the occupant of this property. But we've been in contact. I think it was September 29th was when we were last here, and it was adjourned till today's date. He and I have been in contact, and as the prosecutor said, there has been progress. He can't physically do the work himself. It's really up to his two sons who are both employed full-time and his daughter who's living there to get the place cleaned up. So he's a little bit at their mercy to get things scheduled, even though there is some urgency because he's the one who's been cited here. I'm not able to view the pictures at this time, but if more work needs to be done, then we would ask the court for an adjourned date.
Anything you'd like to say, Mr. Farrell?
Can't hear you.
Is there anything that you would like to say, sir?
We've cleaned it up. And, I don't know what kind of picture you've got.
I'll show you. John's taking us down there.
I don't understand what the issue is. They're saying I'm not making any progress.
Listen. I told you on July 30 to have this done by August 31.
And we did with due diligence tried to, sir.
You didn't do anything by August 31. You wanted to get smart with me and tell me that I came out to your property and started photographing, and I don't know what in the devil you're talking about. And you acted like one of these sovereign citizen know-it-alls on the video. Listen to me. And now you don't have the property cleaned up. Nobody wants to live next to that junk pile.
Sir, I have had no complaints from any neighbor.
I don't care.
What are the issues? You say there's been no progress. There's been great.
She said very little progress. That's how it looked from the photos this morning. Looks to me like there's been no progress or little, if any.
Well, I would have to see the other pictures prior to this, sir.
How long has the city been after them to take care of this? Remind me, the township.
I believe since 2005.
2005. Oh, jeez.
A number of citations that we
He's
dismissed.
gonna force me to put him in jail. These guys, you know, Mr. Haynes, I never thought I would ever put somebody in jail on a blight case. But I did last about a month or so ago, and I'm gonna do so here again because these guys think they don't have rules. I mean, this is not a lawless society here, Mr. Farrell. This is not a lawless society.
I did not state that, sir. I know there are laws, there are rules.
Look at those pictures. Let me see those again. Hand those up to me. Can he keep a copy? Do you have an extra copy?
I don't, Your Honor.
Send them to Mr. Haynes.
I have pictures on my phone to show that there is not that there. Would you like to see those?
I'll be glad to.
I do have additional photos that I sent to probation from this morning and confirmed that it looks as it did on Tuesday.
I mean, this looks like a junkyard. Look at this one of the garage. You got junk all inside the garage with the door up. There's all kinds of junk outside the garage.
It's all been cleaned up.
Were these taken this morning?
Those were taken Tuesday. I have additional ones that I sent probation this morning, and they confirmed that there's been no progress since Tuesday or today. So those are.
So you sent them to probation this one. John, call over there, tell them that to print them out, the ones from this morning, and that you're going to come over and get them, will you?
I'll be able to print in color.
They what?
I'll be able to print that in color.
Well, I'll be able to tell them.
Do you also have a list of violations that I can read off?
Go ahead.
So according to Rob Harris, the code enforcement officer, there was a fence that was put up without a permit. It remained.
Yeah, we covered that last time.
And it's still there, Your Honor. There's a large amount of ground storage that is present in the back and side yards, causing blight and rodent harborage that needs to be removed. Tarps are present to cover ground storage and causing rodent harborage. The dumpster cannot be stored on the property after it's no longer in use. I guess it does smell pretty bad right now. The garage door's been open for a couple of years, causing rodent harborage and damage to the garage structure. So they will need a building department inspection because it's likely unsafe now. There are multiple holes in rotted wood on the exterior of the home. There is nesting animals and rodent harborage from the exterior. Active treatment of the home is gone. There are large piles of stacked wood in the rear of the home that needs to be removed, again, because of rodent harborage complaints.
What's your name?
Josh,
Josh what?
or
You gonna help your dad out or not?
thousands of pounds of stuff. He has collected it for years. I've been trying to slowly get at it for all this happened and this happened. Now I'm rushed.
Now you're what?
But now I'm rushed. We'll let overhead.
Doesn't sound like anybody's rushing. Sounds like they told you back in 2005.
My advisor said, I was not notified of this till 2025. You're going back to 2024. I was not made aware of this till May of 2020.
All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm giving you 2 weeks. 2 weeks or else you're going to jail.
2 weeks to do what, sir?
Clean up the property.
Property is clean.
All right.
You're complaining about stuff.
Okay, I'm not complaining. If you think it's clean, I might as well just send you to jail today.
Oh.
Is this clean?
Yes.
This is clean?
It's greatly clean, sir.
And then
I know what standards this yard Nazi subscribes to. I do
yard
not belong to an HOA. I do not subscribe to it. but he wants to violate my constitutional and civil rights.
Oh, don't give me this nonsense.
Okay, well, there'll be another thing.
Don't give me this nonsense. Who's the yard Nazi that wants to violate your constitutional rights?
Who's the complaining party, sir? Neither of my neighbors.
Don't get wise with me, Mr. Farrell.
They're both properties.
Do not get wise with me. There is nobody that could look at this and say this is cleaned up. Nobody. I couldn't find a single person in the country that would look me in the eye in a courtroom. Maybe at a bar when they've had 14 drinks. There is nobody that would tell me this is cleaned up.
You would have to look at pictures prior to all of this.
No,
See
no.
all the progress.
Because you made it a junkyard.
Worked as a mechanic, and there were new motors and transmissions. Was not junk.
What's all this? What's all this? If you think this is picked up, we're wasting our time. Yeah,
Does that picture show down the driveway? We cleared all that out.
well, I'm gonna let you look at these pictures because I'll go over there. I can go there right now.
We have,
I can go there right now and take a look with my own set of eyes.
I think,
If you're telling me those pictures are inaccurate, that the prosecutor take a look. If you're telling me those pictures are not as it exists today, my court officer and I will drive right over there right now.
not all of this here. No, we've got.
What's all of this here? I don't know what you're looking at. I don't know what there's 4 photos. I can't see which one you're pointing at. I'm not Superman. I don't have X-ray vision. Turn the picture toward me.
Okay, here,
Okay, what's not there?
a lot of this is already gone. We have not got everything up yet. The dumpster's there, so we're gonna get on the garage next and try to clear all that out, the road out too.
You guys have had,
Collect this over there.
I don't care. You guys have had since July 30. And the prosecutor tells me that you guys were notified of these issues in 05. That's 20 years.
Judge, if I could.
Yeah, your name?
Jessica O'Donnell, we have information. If I print the pictures out, we don't have colors, so you're not gonna be able to see anything on them. I did forward them to you, to your email, if you'll be able to take a look at the most recent photos and all the photos that were provided to us.
Okay. Why don't you ask Jennifer Burke to go in there and print those off, will you, Amy? Here. My office.
Jess? Hey, Jess.
Yes.
What if you go on Zoom?
Yes, I will do that. That I do that.
I don't care. You guys you guys are the tech experts, not me. Thank you. I want to see them. If not, I can drive out there. I don't have a problem. It's not that far from here. I'll drive out there. I'll take a look. Be glad to do that. If you guys are telling me these pictures don't accurately represent as the property exists today, I'll be right there. I can be there in 10 minutes. I don't have a problem with that.
It's not entirely done, but we have made a ton of progress on it. Like I said, we got the dumpster there, trying to fill it up to get rid of even more of it.
The arraignment took place June the 11th. I just want to let you in on a secret here. The arraignment took place on June the 11th. That was over 4 months ago. It's not like anybody's just sprung this on you 2 days ago and said you better have it done by today. I don't care if there's 20 years worth of junk. You're just underscoring the point.
I got off work Wednesday, me and my brother drove down there to get even more stuff. I'm doing it as I can. I'm sorry, it's not fast enough. He spent all those years collecting the shit.
Watch your mouth.
Sorry.
He should have notified you. He had an obligation to notify you. It does look better if this is the pictures from this morning.
These are the images from this morning, Your Honor.
All right, here's what I want you to do, young man. I want you to tell me how long it's going to take you and your brother to completely clean this stuff up.
Cleaning up, get everything up to code.
Yeah.
It's a lot of time and money. I wouldn't know, honestly. You have to clear the garage out, tear the garage down, and then if we go to put something, we gotta do a whole permit and everything, and all that process either.
I mean, they are making some progress.
They are.
I'm going October 30. I can't, you know, here's what's going to happen, and I have these things happen, right? Then it's going to be, it's too cold. The snow was flying. All right, I'll tell you what. I can give you a little more time. How about a month?
Give me a month and a half, and now with that, everything's cleaned up, garage tore down, and the whole outside of that house has been refinished. I'll assume we're gonna need most of that.
Heather, give me a date in 6 weeks. I
Judge,
want
I'm-
those forwarded to me again, Jessica. I mean, he has made some progress, it's still ugly, but let's adjourn the sentence to like mid-December, whenever I have Brownstown here again.